So I've shown you a lot of the great things that you can do in the project scorecard, but the first step to getting all of that done is getting your users in there. So if I come over here and click on the Manage Users tab, I can see all of the people that we have here in the company. We can add new users, or we can, let's see here, edit existing users. So it's nice, but there's no picture there, so let's go ahead and add a profile picture and update that. So, and we have that here now. Great. So essentially, when you add a user, you can enter a name and their email address, a profile picture, and choose whether or not they're a company administrator. A company administrator basically means you can add new users to the system, you can create projects, you can basically have access, free reign to do anything in the system. So assign that with caution. So that's basically how you enter people in the system. As soon as you enter their name and email, they will get an email asking them to reset their password. And that should arrive in their inbox and they'll be ready to go. Some other permissions that people can have, you've seen over here we have different locations that our projects live in. If you manage those locations, you can actually control the different users who are responsible for that location. So as you can see here, we have Finn and Morton, and then in Los Angeles, there's me. So when I go to Los Angeles, you can see that I am the administrator for the Los Angeles branch, and the Copenhagen branch has Morton and Finn. One final thing that I want to show you with users is that users have profiles. So if I come here and I check out what my profile looks like, you can see all of the tasks that I have currently open in all sorts of different projects and different metrics that I can mark complete. So I can come here and know exactly what needs to be done. And I can also just sort of see, on what dates in the calendar I've updated things. So I've created some tasks over here in the future. I've done a lot of things in the past. I really didn't want to make this page about whether or not you have green or red statuses, because this isn't really to judge how your projects are going. It's more of a place to say, are you interacting with the system? When have you been interacting with the system? And those types of things. It's a lot less about, how good of a job are you doing. So that wraps up our tour of how users work in the system. And if you'd like to give this a try, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we're looking for alpha users now.